call me up, I'm your girl. Toughest chick in the alien world. Ain't got time for pink and lace. This girl's built for outer space. Atomic Betty is a fighting girl. Atomic Betty gonna rock your world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, your galactic girl. Atomic Betty gonna save the world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty reporting for duty. Mom, I'm home. Gone to the store. Don't forget to do your homework, and whatever you do, don't let Percy out of the house. Yeah, right. As if Percy would dream of going out in this weather.
Atomic Betty, this is your commander speaking.
Oh. Atomic Betty reporting for duty.
I have very bad news. It's that time of year again.
Galaxy Day?
No. It's Maximus's annual board meeting. All galactic criminals and evildoers are heading to his headquarters to hear Maximus's dastardly plans for the upcoming year.
Uh-oh.
You must infiltrate the meeting and record the proceedings.
The whole galaxy is counting on you.
And I won't let you down. Beam me up, fast. Set a course for Maximus's headquarters. We're gonna crash his annual board meeting.
There'll be a lot of muscle at that shindig. How are we supposed to get in?
Coversion, Sparky. We are going to disguise ourselves as envoys of the hideous planet of Blarf. Maximus won't have a clue. Sparky, full thrust.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Sparky, look out!
Oh.
That was close.
Are you all right?
Yeah, must have been a draft.
A more plausible explanation is that you've contracted a space virus.
Maybe you'd better sit this one out.
I miss all the fun? Forget it. I'm fine.
Bless you.
It's dress-up time.
All of the knowledge of the universe, and I am forced to resort to these cheap theatrics. Oh.
I think you look cool.
Behold, the floating citadel of Maximus IQ, equipped with all the latest weapons, including twice-nuked strontium laser guns, reverse anti-grav neutrino cannons, not to mention a formidable collection of ceramic ducks that Maximus has acquired over the years.
State your business.
The Blarfian Horde requests to participate in the annual meeting.
Password.
Of course. It's war.
Approved.
Proceed.
Works every time. Everyone stay cool. We don't want to attract attention. He's got a cold.
I do not.
What did he say?
That Sparky should have taken a sick day. It's not polite to infect your fellow mercenaries.
Oh, look, we have a visitor. Let's fricassee it and add it to the menu.
My, what a strange creature you are. Very soft. No need to be afraid. Come, little one. We have important things to do. Minimus!
Ooh, right away, Your Eminence. I want to play with your new pet. Why do we always get the cheap seats?
Shh. The meeting's about to start. We're on.
Good evening, my faithful minions. Look at this beautiful creature I found. I don't know why, but I've developed some kind of affinity towards him.
Percy? What the? Oh, Mom's gonna freak.
I'm on it.
Sparky, wait!
As you can see, galactic domination fell 4 points in the second quarter. An unfortunate setback, mostly due to market interference by... Yes, pathetic, aren't they? And yet, none of you has been able to stop them! Fortunately, I have devised a sinister plan that will rid us of those wretched galactic guardians forever! So, without further ado, these are the plans.
Are you authorized to be here?
We attack Pelusians. Second, we steal gold.
Looks real. Real fake to me. Hey, give that back!
What's the commotion? Who dares to interrupt me? You!
Hey! Oops.
It appears we have some company.
By order of the Galactic Guardians, I place you all under arrest.
Quiet, you fools! Seize them.
Sparky, get Percy!
Fresh breath is an integral part of clean hygiene. Didn't your mother teach you anything?
Whoa!
Keep arms and tentacles at really frozen at all times. Enjoy the room.
X5!
My, this was an unexpected surprise. I don't seem to recall sending the infamous Atomic Betty an invitation.
Happened to be in the neighborhood. Thought I'd stop by and see your plans.
How thoughtful. Well, since I have you all in my grasp, it seems my plans won't be necessary after all. Here, you hang on to them for safekeeping.
You won't get away with this.
Oh, but I already have. Take them away!
Sparky, no!
A nice kitty?
Let's get out of here. Percy, get away from him!
My ducks!
Not only did you disrupt the annual meeting, but you managed to get a copy of Maximus's plans. Excellent work, Atomic Betty.
I had quite a bit of help from my friends.
Yes. A commendable effort from all of you. Carry on.
You're almost home.
Well, it serves you right. You know Mom said to stay in the house.
Hey, Rosie. I've been looking for you everywhere. I thought you two didn't like each other.
We have our moments.
Oh, this is wonderful! Now you can spend more time together. Betty! I'm off to the store now. Make sure the garden gets lots of water.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll take good care of it.
Thank you. And don't forget to keep an eye on Percy.
Percy? Percy? You let him go! Unless you want a shower, I suggest you spit him out now.
Atomic Betty, this is your commander speaking.
Atomic Betty reporting for duty, sir.
I have a mission of the utmost importance. Our sources indicate... Why are you covered in mud?
I'm brushing up on my foraging skills, sir.
Very good. You never know when you might find yourself marooned on some desolate planet with no potable water or cheese snacks about. Anyway, about the mission. Our sources indicate that the Supreme Overlord, Maximus IQ, has a secret lab on the planet of Narimba 6 and is creating a horrible bioweapon. Destroy the lab before Maximus can put this weapon to use.
I'll take care of it right now. Over and out. Yikes! I've got to save the galaxy and clean up the garden before Mom gets back. Beam me up! Sparky, get us to Narumba 6 as fast as you can.
Okay. Hold tight! We're here.
Yes, but is Maximus here? Aha! This looks like a secret headquarters to me.
But where are the guards?
Good question. And how many guards are there?
It should be simple to ascertain precise numbers. Might I suggest... Utilizing this topographical printout, we position here, 5 degrees northeast off of the tangent of the X and Y coordinate.
That will take too long. Sparky and I will find out using a combination of stealth and subterfuge.
Oh.
Targets in sight.
Let's go blast off!
X5?
What?
Greetings.
What do you want?
Allow me to make this special one-of-a-kind introductory offer to Guardians Quarterly, the magazine that caters to distinguished sentries, defenders, and gatekeepers such as yourself. Complimentary issues for anyone who's interested.
Oh, check out this uniform. Oh, shiny one.
Nice.
Oh, it's very pretty, super.
Very
Look at all those shiny things. That's That's order one.
Excellent use of stealth and subterfuge, X5. Now let's find the lab.
It could be anywhere.
Aha! And what have we got here?
It's a small cylindrical glass vessel containing an unknown liquid held in place by a piece of unidentified metal which appears to be conducting current carrying properties.
Huh?
A vial being held in place by a magnet.
A very powerful magnet.
So, what's in the vial, Smarty Pants?
I think we can safely assume that it is some sort of evil, dastardly potion.
It's been 2 hours, 12 minutes, and 43 seconds. The cooling process should be complete by now.
Maximus!
Yes, yes, yes! My bioweapon is finally finished!
Well, it's about time. It's about time someone came up with such a great idea. Oh, splendid work, Master.
Come, Minimus. I'm sure you're eager to see how it works.
How thoughtful of Maximus to provide a demonstration.
Hey, how do you do that?
By extracting the chlorophyll from plants and enhancing them with a molecular growth agent, I have concocted a biochemical compound that can choke entire worlds with vegetation.
Evil simulation complete. Replay.
Oh, we want to watch it again.
Well, we don't.
Well, if it isn't our interfering galaxy guardian, Atomic Betty. And I see you brought your 2 little friends. How quaint.
Maximus, hand over the vial, you cunning criminal.
Oh, this? I'm afraid I can't do that. I have other uses planned for it.
Oh, boy!
Seize them!
It's a trap! I'll take on the lot of you!
Not so fast, Minimus. Hand it over or else.
Or else what?
Oh, no! Whoa!
I think that belongs to me. It's been a pleasure, Atomic Betty, but I really must be going. Toodaloo!
Somebody stop them!
Allow me.
Excellent work, X5. But how did you do that?
Simple. I merely activated the current carrying conductor to create an electromagnetic field to attract the iron properties in the liquid.
Huh?
I turned on the magnet.
Oh. Your evil plan's been foiled again, Maximus.
Curse you, Atomic Betty! You! Girl!
You'd better give me that vial before you drop it.
Oh.
At least I destroyed the lab, right?
Ah!
Huh?
Idiot! That was my tail!
Oh, Master. Should I let go?
Yes.
Oh no! I'm just about out of time!
Oh, Birdie Worsy. Mommy loves you so much, Snookums. What is it, Snookums?
Meow.
Did you want to show me something? My garden! Why, it's beautiful!
What do you think, Mom? I thought we could try this new fertilizer I came across.
Betty, you're a genius! All that work must have made you hungry. Why don't I fix us some nice peanut butter and ice cream sandwiches?
Peanut butter and ice cream? All right! Atomic Betty and the fighting girl. Atomic Betty gonna rock your world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty. Atomic Betty, your galactic girl. Atomic Betty gonna save the world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty. Atomic Betty reporting for duty. Yeah!